Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the 5 things you need to know before signing up with Moomoo. We're going to talk about pretty much everything from things you need to know. We'll also talk about a great strategy at the end of this video and how I've traded with Moomoo. I've actually been using them for over 7 years. So if you guys want to sign up, there's also going to be a link down below where you guys can get up to 60 free stocks just by signing up. So click that link, sign up. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. And let's dive into this here. So the first thing that you need to know with Moomoo is it's only for traders. You know, in my opinion, Moomoo is the best trading broker, but where it lacks is going to be, honestly, account types, retirement account. You know, this is not an account you guys are going to be buying and holding, you know, for retirement. It offers no 401k, no IRAs. It's only standard broker's account. You only can buy stocks, you know, ETFs, ADRs, options, stuff like that. That is it. You can't buy mutual funds, bonds, anything like that, which honestly, for me, I have just another account that does that. So it's really not that big of a deal for me. All right, the second thing you need to know is fees, commission, and pricing structure. So if you guys want to buy stocks and ETFs, they are commission free. This is huge because if you don't have a lot of money, whether it's like $100, you can use zero commission, and they offer fraction shares. So you don't need thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars to start investing. Now, right now, if you are not in the United States, if you're in Hong Kong, China, there is going to be some extra fees. Now, there also is going to be some fees if you guys use margin, wire transfers, or any specific order types. There also can be, you know, like clearing fees, stuff like that, because I do think that's incredibly important. The third thing you need to understand is tools, research, and platform features. So Moomoo, in my opinion, is the best trading broker. It offers, honestly, fantastic research, data tools, AI tools, advanced charting, level 2 quotes, honestly, etc. Like, there's so many different things that you guys can use with Moomoo that I love. You know, they also offer paper trading. So that's just like a demo account where you guys can practice strategies without risking real money, so you can learn and, you know, then use what you learn to implement into, you know, your real money. Now, they also offer desktop for both the Mac, which is what I use, and the Windows. I actually used the Windows version for like 5 years, just switched over recently to the iMac, and, you know, I've had literally no complaints. All right, the fourth thing you need to understand and you need to know is you're going to be insured because Moomoo is regulated by the U.S., by the SEC, and they're a member of the FINRA. So honestly, this means if like Moomoo ever closes their doors, goes out of business, you're insured for cash. It's up to 250 grand, and then for stocks it's up to 500 grand. So that is all good. So I do think Moomoo is fantastic. They don't make any money off order flow, which is huge. So you're always getting the best available price, which Robinhood and other brokers like that don't even offer. So it's nice to see that you're always going to be getting the best available price. All right, enough with that. Let's talk about a good strategy that I love, and we'll show you guys some of the features that Moomoo offers. So the stock that we recently traded here was HD, also known as Home Depot. So going to the daily time frame, you guys will see that Moomoo offers great tools and drawing tools. So you guys can see this white line. This is where, honestly, Home Depot had a bunch of support, right? It hit it once, twice, 3 times, recently hit it 4 times. So we knew we could get some sort of buying pressure out of the stock. Now here, it was also trading for an 18 on the RSI, which is a super, super undervalued spot for this stock. So we had a stock on an upward trend, sold off down to that white trend line. It's undervalued on the RSI. Now we go and we look at a lower time frame. Right now we're on the daily, so each candlestick represents 1 day of trading. Now we go and we look at the hourly. You guys can see that this thing was selling off like crazy. we threw an alert above this at first. We said, okay, if it pops up above pretty much the 380 mark, we're going to look at it. Popped up. We did not execute a trade. I go, okay, let's see how it reacts tomorrow and see if that trend line forms, right? As you guys can see, something like this here. And that's exactly what happened. The stock popped up, broke above that blue line, which is a 90-day EMA line, popped up, and that's where we got in near and around the 382, and the stock has been rallying up. Right now it's trading for 387. So we're already up a little bit. Now the next test is going to be the break of that red line, which is the 200-day EMA line. So simple breakout approach, using Moomoo, and Moomoo offers great charting, scanning, all of that stuff. So there's going to be a link to Moomoo down below. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's fantastic. And I'll see you guys in there. Like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.